53% new footage.
Okay, hello everybody. Now I have myself a problem. I have a bunch of brick cards. Right now I'm dealing with 1993 Upper Deck. This is from a lot I purchased a year ago, and I'm just getting around to dealing with it. So all is well. I'm about 3/4 of the way through sorting, and I have an entire box that's like this, bricked. So anybody who has dealt with sports cards from the essentially late 90s, early 2000s, glossy cards in the wrong environment is absolutely horrible. So as you can see, I have stacks of brick cards I need to separate. Now I went online to see what other people have been doing, and I was horrified to see the types of videos and suggestions on how to brick these cards. The absolute worst thing that you can do is take it and bend them and hear them crack. That's absolutely horrible.
What I'd like to show you how to do is to grab opposite corners here and just flex the cards. You'll hear it popping.
So I'm going to do a little tutorial what I do. As you can see, I've separated quite a few cards so far. Only had 2 that I call complete losses at about a stack of 35. So right now we're about 5% loss rate. So I think it's working pretty good. What you're going to need is a towel. You're going to need a plate, a butter knife, and a damp cloth. What we're going to do is we're going to take one little stack. Now, I'm doing it in small stacks. It will work with larger stacks, but it'll be a little more time intensive. What you do is you simply take a stack of cards right here, you put it on a plate. You have your trusty microwave.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. You know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E.
Mind you, this is not going to work for any sets, especially like Top Stadium Club, that has metal in it, because it's going to mess up your microwave. So don't recommend doing this just with regular plastic glossy cards. I'm going to put it in the microwave. I have this set to high. I'm going to put it on for 6 seconds. And we're going to let them nuke.
Excuse me? Who the heck is this?
I've got balls of steel.
Balls of steel. What is that?
Okay, we're going to take them out. Cards are going to be a little warm, so it should be easy to split. See how some of them are coming off? So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take your butter knife here, and see if I could do this with one hand, and you're going to want to separate the card slightly and go along the edges, ever so slightly. And then boom, the card separates. As you can see, I have no paint transfer or anything on this, so this is another keeper. Then once you're done, just set it on the towel to dry. Once it's dry, you can put it back in the stack. And I highly recommend after you do this that you sleeve these with soft sleeves, or they're going to stick again. Now, the washcloth is for if you have any type of paint transfer. About 50% of the time, if you just take it and you just go over the card where there's a little bit of paint transfer, 50% of the time you can get the paint off and it's still a usable card. And then of course you just take your towel, dry it off, let it sit for a few minutes, and then you just put it back in the stack. This, guaranteed, you're going to be able to save at least 75% of your cards. I'm being pessimistic. 75% of your cards you'll be able to save just using this method. Now, if you have cards that are in a giant stack, solid bricks like this, this will work. Do it in 6-second intervals in the microwave. The only thing is that you're going to want to pry them off into smaller bricks. Let's say something small like this, and then repeat the process until you're able to separate your individual cards. When they come out like this, then just take your butter knife, go along the edges ever so slightly, and you'll be able to save 75% of your cards. I'm still looking for a better method to use for cards that have metal in them, specifically like Top Stadium Club, because I have a couple 1991, 1992 hockey cards still in packs that I'm trying to separate. If you have comments, recommendations, or if you just want to like this video, it's you're welcome to do so. Otherwise, thank you for your time, and have a good day.
Hey gang, thanks for watching this video. This video is a rehash and re-editing of a video I uploaded several years ago, so I hope you enjoy it. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.